What if I told you that 95% of your dreams don't die from failure? They die from never starting. That's the brutal truth. While you're waiting for the perfect mood to hit, life is passing you by. But here's the viral secret that's changed millions. Action isn't born from motivation. Motivation is born from action. I'm Coherent Mind. I'll show you how to hack your brain, shatter procrastination, and build unbreakable discipline. If you've ever said, "I'll do it tomorrow," and watched weeks vanish, this is your wake-up call. Stick around. I'll give you a 3-step action ignition framework that's deeper than any quick tip, and it's guaranteed to make you unstoppable. Let's dive deep. We've all been there, staring at that gym bag, the blank page, or the business plan, thinking, "I just don't feel like it today." Society sells us this lie that motivation is the spark, but science says otherwise. Neuroscientists like Dr. Andrew Huberman explain that your brain's dopamine system, the chemical of motivation, kicks in after you start moving, not before. It's called the effort-reward loop. Waiting for motivation is like waiting for rain in a desert. It might come, but you'll die of thirst first. The profound truth? Procrastination isn't laziness. It's a survival mechanism gone wrong. Your brain evolved to conserve energy for threats, but in modern life, it tricks you into scrolling instead of striving. Break free by understanding every not now is a vote against your future self. Picture this. John, a talented writer, dreamed of publishing her book for years. She waited for inspiration. Days turned to months. Motivation never came. Then she discovered the action cascade effect, a chain reaction where one small step triggers the next. Committed to writing just one sentence a day, that sentence became a paragraph, then a page. Within months, her book was done. Why? Because action rewires your brain. It silences the inner critic, builds neural pathways for habit, and turns impossible into inevitable. Unlike fleeting motivation, this cascade is reliable. It's the hidden force that propelled icons like Elon Musk through failures. He didn't wait to feel ready for SpaceX. He acted, failed spectacularly, and iterated. The depth here: failure isn't the enemy. Inaction is. Fear whispers, "What if you fail?" But the real question is, what if you never try? Now, let's make this profound shift actionable with my 3-step action ignition framework, deeper and more transformative than the usual hacks. Step 1, the micro commit. Don't aim for the mountain. Start with the pebble. Use the 2-minute rule and upgrade from 5 minutes. Commit to just 2 minutes of your task. Step 2, environment engineering. Your surroundings shape your actions more than willpower. Eliminate friction points. Hide your phone in another room, set app blockers, or create a focus ritual like lighting a candle before work. Add depth. Pair this with temptation bundling, where you link a dreaded task to a reward, like listening to your favorite podcast only while exercising. This isn't surface level. It's rewiring your environment to make action the default. Step 3, mindset reframing. Dig deep into your why. Procrastination thrives on vague goals, so visualize the cost of inaction. See yourself 5 years from now, regretting the chances you skipped. Then flip it. Embrace productive discomfort. Pain isn't punishment, it's progress. As Nietzsche said, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Track small wins in a journal to build a success snowball, proving to your brain that action equals reward. Surround yourself with action amplifiers, people who elevate you, not enablers who excuse delays. Remember, your circle predicts your success. The deepest truth: discipline isn't restriction, it's liberation. When you master action without motivation, you gain freedom from regret, from what-ifs, and from a life half-lived. You're not just building habits, you're forging a legacy. Most people wait for permission to start. Be the one who gives it to yourself. Today, right now, take that first micro step. Your future self is watching. If this ignited something in you, hit that like button if you're committing to action today. Subscribe for more mindset mastery that goes beyond the surface, and comment below. Share this with someone stuck in someday mode. You could change their life. Remember, the secret isn't waiting, it's starting. Let's build unbreakable you. See you in the next one.